Greetings, my name is Alessia and you are watching Prostobank TV. Today I explain you how to use BPAY with ANZ, including how to make, cancel and track BPAY payments.
Before starting, an important nuance to keep in mind is that BPAY is completely free for personal ANZ accounts, provided you haven't exceeded your monthly transaction limits. To pay any bill, you will need the biller code and the customer reference number, or CRN, printed directly on your bill. Just to clarify, this bill reference number is different from your login CRN for online banking. You can pay using funds from your debit account, savings account, or eligible credit cards, but practice shows you should always verify if your biller accepts credit card payments. If you prefer using the ANZ mobile app, open the app, go to Accounts and tap Pay. From there, select Pay Bill and choose an existing biller or tap Add New. Simply enter the biller code and the bill reference number from your statement, then input the payment amount. As a practical rule, double-check all entered numbers on the confirmation screen before tapping Pay to complete the transaction and generate your electronic receipt. For those using ANZ Internet Banking on a computer, the process is slightly different. Log in, go to the Payments menu, and choose Pay Anyone or Pay a Bill. Select your payment account, enter the biller code together with your bill reference number, and choose your schedule: today, later, or recurring. Between the available scheduling options, setting up recurring transfers works best for fixed bills, and you can always save the biller details for one-click future payments. When it comes to canceling a payment, timing is everything. If a payment was submitted for today, it cannot be recalled online, and you must contact the biller or bank support directly. However, we recommend managing future-dated or recurring transfers via the Manage Future Payments menu. A vital hack here is to submit your cancellation request before 11:59 p.m. Melbourne time on the day before the scheduled transfer. Otherwise, the system will lock and process it. Let's discuss daily BPAY limits, which depend on the digital channel you use. In the ANZ app, your default daily limit is $15,000, with a $10,000 cap for first-time billers. Practice shows that activating Voice ID increases your app limit up to $100,000 daily. In internet banking, your personal limit is $75,000 per day, with a $50,000 per transaction cap. As an insider hack, if you need to pay a larger invoice, you can split the total amount between the mobile app and web banking on the same day. Understanding processing times is essential to avoid overdue charges. Payments submitted before 6 p.m. Melbourne time on a bank business day are processed on the same day, while later transfers move to the next business day. Between the processing stages, funds typically arrive at the biller within 1 to 2 business days. To verify a transfer, check the View Past Payments section in Internet Banking for status updates, and note down your receipt number for official proof. Finally, let's look at troubleshooting and hidden pitfalls. A common issue occurs when paying via a credit card, as some billers process this as a cash advance, triggering immediate interest and fees. Another frequent error is entering spaces in the reference number field. By the way, always schedule payments 2 business days before the actual due date to ensure funds arrive on time without incurring late fees.
If you are satisfied with our videos, you may recommend our channel to your relatives and friends. Subscribe Prostobank TV, follow our news, like it.